হ্যালো শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল জ্যাবস ইংলিশ। আজকের ভিডিওটি মূলত 2025 সালের এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থীদের জন্য। আজ আমি 2025 সালের এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থীদের জন্য ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপার টপ 10 সাজেশন নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি। যাই হোক, কথা না বাড়িয়ে আমরা মূল আলোচনায় চলে যাই। টপ 10 সাজেশনস ফর এসএসসি এক্সামিনিজ 2025 ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপার। প্রথমেই প্যারাগ্রাফ, deforestation, our school magazine, tree plantation, mobile phone, environment pollution or air pollution, our school library, drug addiction, street accident, a day laborer, and then a rainy day. Now, completing story. King Midas, Robert Bruce, an honest woodcutter, Baijid Bostami, Sheikh Sadi, a farmer and his quarrelsome sons, a thirsty crow, who is to bail the cat, wisdom of King Solomon, and then honesty of a rickshaw puller. Informal email or letter. Intention after SSC exam. Importance of reading newspaper. Necessity of physical exercise. Describing co-curricular activities. Importance of learning English or importance of improving English. Thanking friend for hospitality. Thanking friend for nice birthday present. About recent flood in Bangladesh. Inviting friend to visit Bangladesh. Benefits of early rising. Dialogue or conversation. Merits and demerits of mobile phone. Necessity of early rising. Recent flood in Bangladesh. Eradicating illiteracy from our country. Importance of learning English or computer. Necessity of afforestation or bad effects of deforestation. Regarding aim in life. Study progress for the SSC exam. Uses and abuses of internet or Facebook. And importance of games and sports. Now I would like to show the graphs or charts. Number of internet or mobile or Facebook users in different years. Population growth rate in Bangladesh. Illiteracy rate in Bangladesh. People living below the poverty line. The choice of profession. Sources of air pollution in a city. Time spending on various activities of a student. A family's household expenditure. Passing rates of the students in different subjects. And last of all, the comparative selling rate of books in Ekushe Boimela. Okay, thanks a bunch for watching my video. Goodbye.